Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Blueprint KBB 2020. Who is the Knowledge Broker Blueprint for? If you ask me, in one simple sentence I would say that the KBB is only meant for those willing to take life by the horns by organizing their own masterminds events, summits, conferences, coaching programs. Either online or offline. Leveraging their knowledge or that of others to help souls and make money. Simple. As long as you're ready to dedicate your time and implement the proven system and everything Tony and Dean and Russell teaches. It will work for you. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. Or maybe you already run a business? Or maybe you're from a part of the world where you think it's not possible to run profitable events? Like mine law. Or you don't have anything to share and sell to people? Luckily for us, the Knowledge Business Blueprint course is designed to work for those already in the game looking to take their business to the next level, but it also is laid out to help those who have never thought about the information industry get started from the bottom and feel confident moving forward in life. Currently, there are already thousands of students from 96 different countries inside the KBB course. It has been proven to work worldwide. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.